My name is Julie Lawrence, and I'm a senior manager in our audit department. I have over 10 years of experience working in affordable housing, both in audit and property management. I've always loved working in affordable housing, but I think what really fueled my passion for the industry is being able to go out to the properties and meet the residents. It really makes it real that this is more than just unit numbers in a spreadsheet or revenues on the income statement. These are people's homes, and I've seen what having a home means to people. It's everything. Our audit and tax departments work hand in hand with our property managers, developers, and tax credit syndicators. We work with one of the leading tax credit syndicators in the nation and provide services for over 150 tax credit funds. We also work with our developers in helping them structure their affordable housing deals. But I think what really sets us apart is our experience and our ability to provide the highest quality product to our clients within their reporting deadlines year after year.
Over the years at SBF, we've developed a specialty service for our developers. Those services include paying bills, providing support for their bank draws for their constructions in progress, as well as supporting them in their auditor requests.
Many of our clients have been with us for over 30 years, and Kevin Flynn is one of those clients, and we really believe that he is part of our SBF family.
Flynn Management owns and manages 50 rural development and low-income housing tax credit communities in Florida and Georgia. Flynn Management's been a client of Sport Bunch and Franz for over 35 years. They've always delivered on everything that we've needed from them in terms of audits and tax returns, and always meet the requirements of the federal programs that we deal with.
We believe in what Kevin is doing, and we really value the relationship with Kevin and his staff. His success is our success, and we work hard to ensure that he is able to achieve all of his goals.
At SBF, we really put a huge focus on treating our people well. Treating our people well ultimately results in low turnover, which really results in great client service.